The ranch isn't just fields and fences anymore. It's going global. Today I'll show you how we stream on our AI-powered ranch to the world using Restream.io, so everyone can see what technology is doing out here. With all the progress happening here, the smart scraps, robot Fred, our AI security, it is now time to share a story beyond this ranch gates. But going live on one platform? Nah, we think bigger. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how I use Restream.io to live stream my ranch to the world. But before we head to Restream.io, it's time for you to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let me walk you through how to restream your video using Restream.io. After you have created your video, you will go to Google and put in Restream.io and search. The first one that says sponsored, that is the one you want to use. You click on it and it takes you to Restream. So now you have sign up for free or use your Google account. Because I have already signed up with my Google, I'm just gonna click on continue with Google. Make sure that you select the account that has your YouTube account. It tells me I'm signing back, so I just continue. But if you're new, you're gonna create your account. Just enter the details about your YouTube account, and this is the interface it brings you to. These are the videos I have already streamed, but for this tutorial we're going to be doing a new one. First, on the right hand side, you see the three lines. You want to click on it and you see the home button. So from the home button, you click on it to see what exactly you want to do. And then you click on the new on your right. This takes you to the next page where it says create a new stream. And under that, you see the Restream Studio. You click on the Restream Studio and it takes you straight to the studio. Voila, it's so easy. Now it's asking you, do you want to join? And because I have already set up, which is exactly what you do if you're new and you've entered your Gmail account, you will just put in your name the way I have it right here. Now, you will click on Enter Studio. And then you get this interface. This interface is where you do a lot of your streaming from. As you can see, the first one, this is the studio. And then the next one is where you add the video you want to stream. And then the next one is where you will click your go live. So for this tutorial, we're going to click on the add scene. Here it selects if you were going to go live with your face and talk, you click on the camera. But because I am not going live with my face, I'm going live with a 2-minute video I had already recorded. And do not forget, you need between 30-second video to not more than 3 minutes so that it doesn't screech. So you will click on the media part. The video would have already been saved on your device, so you click on it and you add. It brings you to this interface where you have the menu. Under the menu, you can invite someone to join you. You can add extra camera. You can add the video you want to stream. You can do presentations. You can add local videos. You can even add image if you're doing silent live stream. And if you want to link it with OBS, you click RTMP source. So for this video, we're doing video only. So I will click on this. Now, if you have not uploaded your new video, you will click on the upload video button. If you have uploaded the video you want to do, you will already have it right here. But because I want to use a new video, and this allows you up to 5 videos. So I want to use upload video so that you can understand how to upload. You click upload and it accesses your phone. Here, photos and videos. So you click on that and it takes you to your phone. But I don't want to go to my phone. So I'm going to use the uploaded video that I have. I click on that. And now the video is found AI. I put it on pause because I don't want it to disturb this tutorial. Now that we've added the scene, the next thing you want to do is scroll up, and this is the scene right here. So you want to click on these 3 buttons right here and give it a name. The name for this video is Dotun's Rescue. And you save. So now this video is now Dotun's Rescue. After this, you go straight to adding your channel. You're adding your channel on the top right corner. You click on the add channel and it brings you to this interface where you have add channels. The advantages of using Restream OI is you can stream on multiple platforms like YouTube, where you connect up to 3 of your YouTube accounts. So if you have more than 1 account, this is perfect. You can stream it on Facebook. You just need to connect your Facebook to it. You can stream on Twitch. You just need to connect your Twitch. And you can stream on Twitter. You just have to connect your Twitter. So, but for today, we are only doing on YouTube, and you just click on your channel. If you have not added, when you click, you will see where it will say add channel. You click and you connect. But I have connected mine, so I just click on it. I want to connect our channel and put all the information correctly before we start. So you click on the edit channel. Right here, you're going to give the video a title that you want people to see, and you can use ChatGPT for this part. You also give the video description with the hashtags. Also, you can get that using ChatGPT. Next, you select your category and you make sure this is public for the privacy. Make sure that your streaming latency is normal. And if you want there to be closed caption, you are going to click on this. This is where you will get to upload your thumbnail that you generated from ChatGPT. Now let's do it. Right here, we put the name of the video, The Toons Rescue. And we put all the information, the description that ChatGPT, just copy and paste it right here. And then you come to the category. It's just a short movie, so you're going to click short movie, and then you upload. When you upload, I don't have it yet. You scroll down and you click save right here. After you have saved everything, it takes you back to this interface, and then you can turn on. So now the video is turned on. Then you close this page with the X at the top right, and it's ready. Come back to this interface now. Before you go live, which is at the end of this point, before you click the live, you want to make sure that you do one very important thing, which is to loop your video. And in order to get to loop your video, there is a box right here on the video that all the information. Come back to this interface, and then you click on the video.
From the treetop says robot.
There's a 3 button at the top right here. You click on it, and it brings you to this interface where you have the loop video, maximize, replace, if you want to change the video or if you want to remove. But you want to click the loop. Without clicking this loop, your video will not keep running over and over again. So you click the loop, and now your video is going to play for as long as you want it to play. The highest you can run it for, YouTube will count, is 9 to 10 hours. After that, the hours and views you accumulate will be lost. So make sure that you check that. And then at the top right corner, you make sure that you have added your channel right here. You click add channel, and you add your channel right here. You click, you pull it on. When you pull it on, you see, when it's off, you see that this thing is not highlighted, right? When I turn it on right here, that means the channel has been added. And then you can now close. And now, if you check the top right corner now, you see that it has a channel. After that, you go down to the right hand corner and click go live. I won't be clicking go live because I'm not going live right now. This is just a tutorial on how you can go live. Once you click go live, your video will start streaming for as long as you want it. But do not forget, the highest you can stream is 10 hours. I love this platform because it's very affordable. It's $19 a month. You can connect more than 3 of your channels. You can go live every day, and you can connect to other social media platforms. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below, and I will be happy to assist. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and see you in the next one. With this tutorial, I'm sure you can start live streaming your videos to the world. Restream has been a game changer for sharing how AI transformed this ranch. So imagine your business, your story, reaching YouTube, Facebook, and more all at once. So, Parrot Farm, ready to let your story ride beyond the ranch gates? Links are below to help you get started. And hey, Subscribe if you love tech stories and a little ranch just mixed into it. Thanks for listening in, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.